this. Hey, good morning, guys. What is up? Today I have a good one for you. I recently, well, not recently, but like two months ago maybe, came to this park. It's called Rock Quarry Trail. And dude, let me tell you, I found something here that was absolutely amazing. So I am here today back at Rock Quarry Trail to make a brand new video, because I did not like the last one I made. It was just didn't care for it. I feel like I could have done a lot better for you guys. So I'm gonna walk this trail again, and at the end, just stay tuned, because this area is so neat and I just look so forward to showing it to you guys. So let's go hike. We unfortunately have to walk down the road here just to get to the beginning of this trail. I parked at the end so that when we get out of here, we can just get right in the car and head on home. But yeah, we got a little bit of a walk, not too bad. Also, this is a short trail. It's only 2 miles, and it approximately takes about 51 minutes to do the whole thing, so not a long trail at all. Check out these cliffs here. Pretty neat looking. This Rockwood Reservation area here up by Eureka is definitely excellent. Has a lot of nice trails, and they're all relatively close to each other. Alright guys, this is the start of the Rock Quarry Trail. So this was a gravel trail. It's not too terrible. It will have some tree roots sticking out from the trees alongside the trail, but all in all, it's not bad. There might be some slick parts, but just tread carefully. Alright guys, well, our first incline. It goes all the way up. So I'm gonna turn you guys off so you guys don't see me struggling all the way up, because it'll probably add an extra 10 minutes to the hike. So I'll be back. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But, whew. Wow. Anyway, I'm okay, yes. It's pretty flat terrain right now, so I am good. Again, as always, I'm pretty much alone out here. I have nobody to talk to but you guys. And that's the way I prefer it. I love being out here by myself in these woods, hiking these trails. Just peace of mind and just speaking what's on my mind to you guys. Giving you some tips and details about these trails. And yeah, I just really enjoy the peace and quiet. See, then you got stuff like this on the trail. I was talking about trees on the side. Definitely gotta watch out for that stuff, but it's not as bad as it looks, guys. Alright, well, seems like we have reached the top of this trail. And here is where the trail splits off. Alright, so the trail splits off now, and if I remember correctly, we go to the left, which is the long loop. And to be honest with you, it is not that much longer. Although I haven't taken the short loop, so I really can't say, but when I walked this long loop trail last time, it really wasn't that much longer. I mean, we got this trail up here, and then we hit some open area, a bunch of trees knocked down, and go down some stairs, and yeah, you guys will see. It's not that much longer, honestly. We have a little bit of a breeze with us today. It's kind of chilly. Glad I dressed up the way I did. Brought my beanie. This is slowly becoming my favorite beanie. It goes with me everywhere. I love this thing, guys. Pretty sure I got it at Old Navy on sale, like $5. But man, it works. Let me ask you guys an important question. What is it that you love about hiking so much? What biggest joy does it bring to you? Leave a comment. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about why this brings you so much joy. And I'll start. For me, it is brings me sanity in an everyday world that is just full of drama and chaos. And being out here in the peace and quiet of nature, walking these trails just brings me a peace of mind and brings me back to reflect on myself as a person and what kind of person I want to be. So I think that really is why I just love doing this so much. So let me know, guys, in the comments what you love about hiking, or even if you dislike it, let me know. Alright, so we are getting close to that opened area. At least last time when I was here it seemed more open. It doesn't seem as open this time. But I feel like this is the halfway mark of this trail. I guess because there was a lot more foliage on the trees and stuff. It seemed more open at the time. Now, since everything looks the same around here, dead, doesn't seem as opened. Alright, guys, so this is the opened area. Again, it probably does not look like much to you guys on here, but to me, being here, it does. Last time, last time it definitely felt a lot more opened, but again, like I said, since everything looks the same right now, it's dead and just really dreary looking. You can't really tell. But anyway, my point is I feel like this is the halfway mark to this trail. Now we gotta do some incline hiking here, and it'll take us to a set of stairs that are pretty sweet, and then we will be getting closer to our destination that I am just so excited to show you guys. I cannot wait. So I have the app, it's called Seek, and it identifies like pretty much any kind of plant life, animal life. It's a pretty interesting app. So I love trees that look like this, and here I thought it was some kind of moss, but it's called shield lichens. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, I just like the look of this stuff. I didn't know it was called shield lichen. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I could be butchering it, guys. I really don't know. Now we have some stairs to go down. And there's another stairway over here. Coming up. Right over here. Now, we are getting close to our first destination point that I'm looking forward to showing you guys. But it's not the grand finale. That'll be for dead last. But we're almost there. Like I said, it's not a very long hike, guys. We'll just go down these stairs. Alright, and this stuff is called shelf fungi. I think this stuff always looks neat on the trees too. Goes all the way up this tree. I don't know, I think it's neat. I like it. And all this stuff is called joint-toothed moss. It's covered on all these rocks over here. I don't know if you can really see them all that well. Well, here's some right here. I mean, it covers a lot of these rocks on the bottom. I think it's just really neat looking. Got a really pretty color to it. Also, it kind of makes me feel like I'm in the northwestern part of the United States. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with that up there. So this is called bracket fungi. See, it's all along this stump right here. I think this is brilliant. This is what I wanted to show you guys the entire time. This isn't the grand finale, mind you, but it is a old quarry mine, I guess what you'll call it. They got limestone out of it. But we are gonna go into that real quick. So we just gotta find a way down. It is accessible to everyone. There's no signs saying that you can't go in or not, so we are definitely gonna go check it out. And it looks like there's a little one next to it that I never even noticed. Wow. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Alright. Let me just get down here real quick. There you guys go. Finally, a fall scene. Alright. And here we are. I wanted to put the camera in a more wide angle view for you guys. But, this is crazy. Wow. You can see the holes where they put the dynamite. And you can see the line in there. I guess that was the drill to shove the dynamite in through. And then they would blast it. Some more up top there. I don't know what these wooden structures are. Maybe part of a rail system? Not 100% sure. But I absolutely love this. I think this is so neat. I'm just curious as to why they didn't go very deep, why they stopped right here. I don't know. But I find that so neat, man. I'm gonna check this other one over here and see if this is an actual limestone quarry or if it's just a cave. Let's turn you around and look. I did not see this last time, so no. Well, this is a limestone quarry as well, because you can see the holes for the dynamite. And I'm just curious as to why they stopped where they did. Huh. Alright. Well, on to the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, which is going to be the grand finale, and we are really close here because I know it's not too far from this location that we're at now. I'm going to turn you around. This looks like some old rock quarry pileup, maybe? Anybody explain that to me in the comments, please? And I see some old structures over here, and I'm gonna go off the beaten path here because our other destination's right there. But I want to see what this is over here first. Should have stayed down there where I was at. Now I gotta slide down this shit. Alright. So, what are these? Can anybody explain to me what that is or belong to? It goes over here. Oh, there's a hole there. Goes all the way down. Maybe some kind of bridge. It's the only area I see these in. I'm kind of curious to go a little farther back here, but I really want to get to our destination right there. I don't really see anything else. So maybe we'll just, we'll just go to our destination. I don't see anything else. So, check this out. You ready for this? Wow. Holy shit. Whoa. Look at this place, guys. This is incredible. Wow. I hope you guys are getting this in. This is crazy. I don't know if you can see all those holes up there, but that's where they used to blast more of the dynamite. Wow. Crazy. Seems like it's pretty much forgotten. Nobody even cares about it anymore, I don't think. There's a lot of these places out here that just don't care anymore. Crazy cool, man. No, I'm not going to disturb anything. I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. I just wanted to show you guys the inside of this because I think it is just so fascinating. This used to be a limestone quarry. I guess back in the early 1800s. I don't really know. There wasn't too much information I could find on it, other than the fact that it was a quarry for limestone. But this place is huge. Absolutely incredible. I'm walking this entire thing for you guys. Somebody try to start a fire, I guess. But that's it, guys. That is what I wanted to show you. I think it is so fascinating. The old limestone quarry. So, we don't have much more to go on this trail anymore. I am pretty much done. I'm gonna get to my car, head home, get some lunch, and head to work. Yay me! I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, if you know somebody that likes this kind of content, please share it. So I will catch you guys later, and y'all have a blessed day. See you later.